see that.
Emma, let's do some opposites. What's the opposite of cold?
Hot.
What's the opposite of near?
Mirror.
No, the opposite of near.
Mirror.
What's the opposite of near?
Person.
No, near means that we're close. What's the opposite of close?
Mommy and Daddy are
We're
near.
We're close. So what's the opposite of near?
And then, Mommy and Daddy are
Far.
Far. Good. Okay, Emma, what's the opposite of smooth?
Hard.
This is smooth and hard. They're not opposites. What's the opposite of smooth?
Light.
Rough.
Rough.
Good. What's the opposite of tall?
Tall.
Daddy is tall. Samuel is
Short. Down.
What's the opposite of room?
room.
Room. What's the opposite of room?
I know.
Yeah, you do.
I don't.
You used to know it.
Tell
Room.
me.
Room or
Tall.
room or. Oh, that's funny. She doesn't. She can't connect
Well,
to
you
it.
know what? There's still corned beef in there.
Oh right.
Would you eat that?
Oh yeah.
Oh, good.
Mommy, we forgot to eat the ravioli
start
that
giving
we
them some
packed
pieces?
up for us.
Do I want to serve you up?
Daddy.
Serving them that.
Mommy or Daddy.
Yeah. That was because we weren't home for lunch and you can't take ravioli on a picnic. So I was saving it.
Yeah.
Oh, honey, would you
Samuel,
like it?
show me your hair. Where's your hair? Good. Where's your arm? Can you show me your arm?
I'm
Emma, off the counter. Get down off the counter. No grapefruit.
High. Low.
1,
High.
2,
Low.
high and low. Okay, what's another opposite? What's the opposite of
Close and phone.
what's the opposite
A
of
phone.
wet?
Cool.
No, the opposite of wet.
Wet. Wow. Wow.
No smiling. No smiling. No smiling. No laughing. Okay. Emma, you never got the opposite of wet. What's the opposite of wet?
Heidi.
What's the opposite of wet?
Heidi.
Haiti.
Oh, yikes. That's not what I meant to do.
Heidi.
Did you taste it?
No, I smelled it. It smelled good. No, so when you get out of the bath, you're all wet, right? What's the opposite of wet then?
Try.
Good, dry. What's the opposite of
Home.
old? What's the opposite of old? Ooh, that's a harder one, I guess.
New.
Pretty good.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah,
That
that's
is
good.
an
That
opposite
works.
of
Old and new. But what about like a person's age?
Papa's old.
Papa's old.
Samuel
Samuel
is-
is.
9.
What?
9.
9.
No, not quite.